Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how many kilometers per liter does a Toyota Vios 1.5 CVT will consume for a city driving. Okay, so stay tuned because later I'm gonna show you the result. 2 weeks ago, I've decided to record on how many really kilometers does this Vios will consume. So I've decided to full the tank and record it. As you can see here, it's 77,935, and mostly I've only driven this for almost 2 weeks in the city, and I'm talking about the city that is not a bumper to bumper ride. As you can see here, I can drive 60 to 80 kilometers per hour in between the traffic light, so it's so clear even in the morning or in the afternoon, which I normally drive that day, that time of the day. And if I am lucky enough, the traffic light is green, so there's no stopping, it's a go. But if I'm not lucky enough and the traffic light is red, maybe I stop around like more than 2 minutes or more than 3 minutes before I will go. Okay, so that's the city that I'm talking about. So it's not that really a bumper to bumper like other big cities, but this is it. So it's so clear. And I'm using the E20. I actually normally use the 90 Gasol 95, but this time I started with E20 to see if it is good or not, because the price is a bit lower compared to E95. So after 13 days, I've driven 13 days, almost 2 weeks for the full tank of this car, and I've decided to come back at the same gas station, and this is my kilometers driven. So if you look at the one, it's almost 400, right? And then I decided to refuel with E20 again, and here we go. I've got 33 liters, 725. So it's like 78,313 minus 77,935, so it's 378. So for 13 days, I've driven 378 kilometers in the city, and then I've consumed 33.725, and if you divide it, it's 11.2 something kilometers per liter. So it's like okay in city driving, but not a bumper to bumper, it's 11.2 something kilometers. And they've also given me 2 bottles of water. So that's it. This car, Vios 1.5, will consume 11 kilometers point something in a city driving, a city that is not a bumper to bumper traffic. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope yours is the same as mine, but actually I'm a bit disappointed. 11 is okay, but I'm a bit disappointed in a way, in a sense that I am alone, mostly alone in the car. My wife is with me, but only for like 2 kilometers in the morning from our house to her work, and then from her work to my work, it's just me. And from my work to her work in the afternoon when going home, it's just me too. So it's not heavy. The car doesn't have lots of passengers, and that's it. I've got only 11. I was hoping like maybe 13 or 14. So 11 is fine, but kinda disappointed. And I'm using the E20. So next time I will try the 95 and see the difference. Okay, I hope yours is better than mine or the same. So thank you. Bye-bye.